Let me show you just how simple it is to make delicious garlic butter shrimp at home. This dish is a masterpiece of flavor, perfectly buttery, garlicky, and succulent shrimp. Hey everyone, if you are my subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Bori and welcome. I need your support to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers. Therefore, please subscribe and you will be my special first 1,000 subscribers. And thank you. Let's start cooking together. For this delicious garlic shrimp recipe, you will need the following ingredients. 1 pound of raw shrimp, peeled, deveined, and rinsed. 8 cloves of garlic, minced. Half cup of freshly chopped parsley, half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, some lemon juice, cold butter cut into 4 pieces. Now we have all these ingredients prepared. Let's start cooking together. Add oil. I'm using avocado oil rather than vegetable oil, about a tablespoon. You can substitute it with olive oil or vegetable oil if you prefer. Add shrimp. I'm using 2 utensils here, which makes it easier for cooking. Just like a restaurant, you will find out that it's much easier for cooking using this utensil. The shrimp don't have to be cooked thoroughly. You just want them to turn pink. So we are add garlic, pepper, I'm going to add a little more oil here. A pinch of salt. Smells amazing. The aroma from garlic and red pepper. Add lemon juice. One piece of butter, some parsley, This is very delicious. And then add the rest of the butters. It's delicious, creamy, The shrimp is succulent, tasty, buttery, and garlicky. If this video helped you out, please share it with your families and friends, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. I am excited to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.